Island Pacific Seafood Market. They have a lot of good things down here, right across from Denny's, and Target is down that way. They have some food there too. They have some good Filipino food there. Yeah, some pampanos. Remember? These are a little bit small compared to the other one we got. But still cool fishes. So that's what we're going to be doing. And these parrotfish.
Oh yeah, parrot.
I'm going to take 2 of them. That's $5.99 a pound.
Oh, they're big as cars. One day can we make another video of getting like at least some of the big fish, like one of those? Look at this. Is that a fish?
Should we take something else here, Devin?
I think we should.
Let me see. Amberjack. Those are. It says amberjack, but these are yellowtail here. It says amberjack. They look like yellowtail.
They're like yellowtail?
Wild of Japan. A good giant squid. I think we'll just take that. Yeah, I think that's good enough for right now. Just 2 parrotfish. Next time we'll bring some other fishes. Here's a snack section. And the addicting section. A lot of good stuff here.
It's more shiny.
One bag on there.
One bag. $12 for 2. How many pounds? 2 pounds. Alright, so we just came back from the market. Now we're gonna go home and fillet them up and cook it up. So the final side. I want to get the 1 parrotfish. and I'm on my second one. So unfortunately, I had some difficulty with my camera. It didn't record the other one. And I like leaving the guts intact also, because I use them when I go fishing for crabs and lobsters. Look, the guts are intact in here. The guts are intact. And I can use this, put in a net, catch crabs or lobster. I got food to eat and bait for crabs and lobsters. No guts coming out. Oh yeah. Just hold down on the skin, and sometimes the skin comes apart. That's what I was doing right now. So there it is. My fillets here, my 4 fillets here, and we're gonna go cook these up. So this is all that was left. I cut off with bad pieces. So we're just gonna do a little snack. Some mayonnaise. I feel a bone. Lime. Tapatio, and some of this everything but the elote. Woohoo! A little elote marinade. I got one more ingredient. Just throwing that egg in there and mixed it up. So here it is.
He's not even happy to see Aaron.
So it's pretty good.
Of course, but they don't even know him.
It's not fried with oil, so
Look at him and
it's pretty healthy.
in a long time.
Except for the mayonnaise. But it's pretty tasty. I could have added some more of that elote in the bottom. It's flavorful. It's not fishy at all. I see my little invention work, man. I'm almost done with these. I'm not even sharing with Benjamin. Got a few more in here. You better hurry up, Benjamin, because I'm gonna finish them. Better hurry up, boy. I'm almost done with them. So it's not bad. So try something different. Don't be afraid to try something different. You never know, you might like it. Try next time. Give me some suggestions what fish you want me to cook up. And we'll go in and buy some.